In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to find Privacy section over here. Then click on App Permissions and pick one of those options to manage it, or select any of them to find an app that you are interested in. I will go into Camera. Now choose one of those apps under one of those categories. In my case, Chrome from Not Allowed one. And apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. If you are interested in one of your apps, click on it, and instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!